Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here we've got the carrot punch Jamaican style, so stay tuned. First, I've just washed and peeled my carrots and make sure I cut them up in some small pieces. We've just cooked them for about 7 to 8 minutes. Blend smoothly. Add my nourishment, my nutmeg. Make sure I add my dragon stout, which is the very important, vanilla, and a little bit of almond essence and Jamaican white rum, and that's just to spice it up a little bit. Now I've used a tin and a half of condensed milk, some ice to make it nice and cool, and just enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you'd have this drink and how whatever ingredients you would use. Like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Thank you for watching.